Hello, my name is Randy, and this is my wife Inese. And we hired Access Lake Chapala and have been working with them for 2 to 3 years now. We bought our first house here with them, and then we just recently sold our same property with them. And they were very professional and trusting, and did a very excellent job in helping us find our property here and also selling our property. They're very trustworthy and ethical, and they do everything by the book, and they do all the paperwork correctly, and everything went very smoothly, and we were very pleased and thrilled that we did get our full asking price, listed price for our property. So we sincerely appreciate and we feel very thankful and blessed for everything that Access Lake Chapala team has done for us.
We would highly recommend in so many different aspects. You wouldn't be wrong to going with Access Lake Chapala team because we are the best.